Have you ever wondered why some people seem to eat whatever they want while others struggle with every single bite? The secret isn't magic or luck. It comes down to understanding your unique caloric needs. To find your number, we first have to talk about your basal metabolic rate, or BMR. Think of this as your body's baseline. This is the energy you burn just by existing, like breathing, circulating blood, and keeping your organs functioning while you rest. Even if you stayed in bed all day, your body would still require a significant amount of fuel to keep the lights on. Your BMR is influenced by several key factors. Age is a major one, as our metabolism naturally tends to slow down as we get older. Gender also plays a role, as men typically have more muscle mass, which burns more energy than fat. Your height and current weight are the final pieces of the BMR puzzle. Larger bodies require more energy to maintain their basic functions. But we don't just lie in bed all day. That is where your physical activity level comes in. This is a multiplier that accounts for everything from walking to the fridge to running a marathon. If you have a desk job and rarely exercise, your needs will be much lower than someone who works in construction or hits the gym 5 times a week. We also have to consider the thermic effect of food. This is the energy your body uses just to digest and process what you eat. Protein takes the most energy to break down, which is why high-protein diets are so popular for weight loss. When you combine your BMR with your activity level and digestion costs, you get your total daily energy expenditure, or TDEE. This is the real number you are looking for. If you eat exactly this amount, your weight stays the same. To lose weight, you need a modest deficit, usually around 300 to 500 calories below this number. To gain muscle, you need a slight surplus. It is a delicate balancing act that requires patience and consistency. Remember that these numbers are just estimates. Your metabolism is dynamic and changes based on your sleep, stress levels, and even the temperature outside. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. It takes time for your body to respond to changes in fuel. Finding your perfect caloric intake is the first step toward reaching your fitness goals. Use an online calculator as a starting point, but remember to listen to your body's signals above all else. Knowledge is the ultimate power when it comes to your long-term health. Start tracking today. Stay consistent.